Hola a todos. Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to use question words in Spanish. So in English, the words we use to ask questions are who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. The equivalent words in Spanish are quién, qué, dónde, cuándo, por qué, cómo, and cuál. One thing to notice is that all of the words in Spanish have an accent mark, and that por qué is 2 words. The accent mark is important because it shows that you're asking a question. Otherwise, the way you are phrasing it is not a question, and thus is grammatically incorrect. And por qué is 2 words because por qué, with 1 word, means because. With 2 words, it means why. So you need to make sure that you're spelling everything correctly to say what you think to say what you mean, to say what you think you are saying. Some of these words you've seen in sentences you learned at the very beginning. For example, ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your name? And ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? One thing you'll notice that my voice, when I'm asking a question, there's a lot of changing in pitch. My voice will change from higher to lower as I ask a question. This is something that we also do in English. Like, what is your name? We don't just say, what is your name? Very monotone. Like, there's the pitch of high and low changes. What is your name? You have to do the same thing in Spanish. Here are some more example sentences. ¿Quién es ella? Who is she? ¿Por qué corres tú? Why are you running? One thing you'll notice is that this phrase here says corres tú. Right at the beginning, when learning the present tense, you learned that it's tú corres for you run. But when you are asking a question, the subject, tú, in this case, goes after the verb, corres. This is the opposite of what English does, where it's the subject, you, would always come before the verb, running. But Spanish, when asking a question, it's the other way around. Here are some more examples. ¿Qué es tu color favorito? What is your favorite color? ¿Cuándo termina la clase? When does class end? Notice that it says that it has tu color favorito after es, which is the verb, and la clase comes after termina. So these words that the verbs are talking about come after the verb itself. Now, a few last sentences. Hace mucho frío, ¿no? It's very cold, no? By adding no at the end of a phrase in Spanish, it'd be like adding no or isn't it in English. Like, it's very cold, isn't it? It's very cold, no? The equivalent in Spanish is adding no. One last example. Ella enseña las matemáticas, ¿verdad? She teaches math, right? The equivalent of adding like right or yes or isn't it in English is adding verdad in Spanish. So hopefully this will help you ask questions better in Spanish. See you!